Limit of functions. We are given a function f of x is 3 over x, which is a rational function. We need to find the simplified version of difference quotient and the limit of that difference quotient. So first we need to see what is f of a plus h and what is f of a. We know f of a plus h will be 3 over a plus h because our function is 3 over x. So we change the input. Same way f of a. Now we first simplify the numerator as follows. So we have a plus h, f of a plus h and f of a, plug the values. Now we need to simplify this rational form. So we apply one known method like multiply these two together in the denominator, multiply this here and this here, keep your negative sign like this, and then 3 times a is here, 3 times a plus h will be on the right side, and we preserve the negative sign. Further simplification will give me negative 3h over a plus h times a. Now we put it back in our original format divided by h. Now as we simplify our fractions, so first numerator is in here and the denominator will be reciprocal, multiply. H is cancelled out, so you get negative 3 over a plus h times a. So we are done with the difference quotient. Now I'm going to take this one to the limit. So when I put it here, now h approaches 0, we just replace h by 0 and then see what happens. So our final result is negative 3 over h square. Second example. We have radicals now in here. So we take the conjugate of the numerator with a plus sign here. Now it is known that you have x minus a times x plus a, that will be x square minus a square, which is the difference of squares formula. So we apply this one in the top, that will give me square here and here. So that means we remove the radical sign in the numerator. Now we distribute our 6 in here and here. So that gives me 6a plus 6h, and then we have 6a. These two terms will cancel out because we have subtraction sign. And then we end up with this, and again we can cancel h. Now further simplification, when you write h equals 0, gives me this form. So this is basically square root of 6a, square root of 6a, that will make it 2 square root of 6a. So we can say that our answer is here. We can leave it there, but if you want to rationalize your denominator, then you can multiply numerator denominator by radical 6a and then see what happens. So when you multiply as radical 6a, the radical will be removed, and now you can divide this by 3, you get 2a. So your answer will be radical 6a over 2a, and we are done.